Okay, so I'm creating this video for technical documentation for about a website, and I want to describe here core functionalities, technical objectives, page dependencies, ACF objects, and ACF. That's it. Let me start why we created this website. We are companies that create websites for other brands. And the main technical objective of this website, of our website, is to build a strong lead generation system with sub-goals for SEO. And I'm creating this technical documentation for any future developer who will touch this website. So after they read this documentation, they know what's happening on the website, what's on the backend, how it functions, and where they need to look for something if they need to fix it. In the first part, I will start with, okay, let's start with technical objectives. So our main objects are right like this, technical objectives, its title, and then points under this. We have services, and these are our main services that we provide to companies, and which they can just ask us like, can you provide us web development service or design service or something else? But we don't need to list anything specific here. Just brief, just like general description of services and why do we have them on the website. Then we have team members. This is to showcase our team members because we want to show more like real human face of the company on our website. So on the page of team members, we will have information about our team members, like their hobbies, some more like personal information, but nothing very personal. Case studies. Case studies we show to show our kind of success stories, what we accomplished with some project and with client. And in yeah, that's it. Then we have content. Content is same as blog. We just it's blog, but we just named it content. Nothing specific about it. And then vacancies. Vacancies we use to post jobs because one of our services is also recruitment, and we will be posting apart from LinkedIn also on our website vacancies that our clients gave us. Then I want to talk about plugins that make up all the like main plugins that affect the main functionality of the website. And by the way, the whole technical documentation is going to be kind of template for all other projects in future. Yeah, so in plugins we use ACF. This is to create custom objects for services, team members, case studies, content, vacancies, to create field groups for them, and to create taxonomies. We use field groups to add additional information to custom post types, and that should go under the point of ACF. And then we also use taxonomies to filter case studies with technologies that we used in them. Then we use Elementor. It's our main plugin for developing front-end of the website and building design, and we use it to create templates, loops, and so on. We use dynamic content for Elementor. We are using one feature of it to just yeah, we are using it to show team members and services used in case study, but to show them in a loop through the relationship field of ACF. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. We are using it within that. Elements kit, we are using it for I think we are using it for sliders on services pages. But also like Elements Kit and Dynamic Content for Elementor, we are not using full functionality. We are using just one or two features from each plugin. Updraft Plus we're using for storing backups. WP Rocket we're using to optimize website, to cache, and so on. And Yoast SEO we do to like have some SEO credibility on the website and write just general technical titles and meta titles and descriptions for pages. Then yes, let's talk about separate title ACF objects and how are we using this ACF plugin to maintain this main functionality of the website. We have 4 post types, custom post types. These are services, team members, case studies, vacancies. Services, like each of them describes basically what they are, and I also mentioned before what I want to use them for. Yeah, we don't really need to write anything else, I think, here. Team members. Yeah. Field groups. We have separate field groups for blogs, for case studies, group vacancies, services, team members, and technology fields. I don't know if we need to write separate fields for each of this group. Try to suggest something to me about this. And taxonomies, it's just technologies that we have used in case study in the project. This is like technologies used. So we used to build this website. We used ACF plugin, Elementor plugin, and WordPress engine. What else? Yeah, let's talk about page dependencies. Like how are pages connected with each other. We're like, okay, services, they are connected to the team members. So like one team member has only one service assigned to them. Yeah. Case studies. Okay, let's skip this part. I think that's it. Try to like, okay, yeah, we don't need anything else. Try to come up with like technical documentation. You can add anything else you want. Maybe you can even come up with suggestions, what maybe I missed or what I maybe need to add to this technical documentation. So basically this document and all other documents that we're going to be building like this, writing like this document are going to be used for future our development projects. And they are like to keep us agile. And if any new developer comes and we tell them, hey, we need you to work on this website and we need you to change something there, before they touch it and like before they start understanding what's happening there, they read this document, and by this document they must understand what's happening on the website and what they have to do the fix. Yeah, I think that's it. Try to come up with something.